Hi, my name is Mr. Stevens. I'm the welding instructor at Worcester Technical High School. Welding is an option for all Worcester County 11th and 12th grade students. Well, what is welding, you might ask? Welding is the process of joining two pieces of metal together by heating them to form one continuous piece. What will I learn if I take welding? You will learn and earn your NCCR credentials in 25 different areas that will help you be prepared as an entry-level welder through our welding apprenticeship program, and also prepare you to further your welding knowledge and skill by attending a welding trade school such as ATI, Advanced Technology Institute, or UTI, Universal Technical Institute, or there's many others that you can attend. Last year we had 11 students earn over $30,000 in scholarships to these trade schools. A few examples of some of the skills that you will learn are welding and shop safety, oxy-fuel and plasma cutting, shielded metal arc welding, which is stick welding, gas metal arc welding, which is MIG welding, flux core welding, and gas tungsten arc welding, which is TIG. You'll learn to do welding drawings and symbols. Also, you'll learn AutoCAD design, and you'll use this to design and build various projects for yourself. You will also complete the industry-recognized Skills USA's Career Safe OSHA 10-hour safety course and receive your OSHA credential card. There are many different careers you can do in welding. For example, construction welding, manufactured welding, structural steel welding, industrial maintenance, pipe fitting, motorsport welding, and shipbuilding. Again, this is just a quick preview of what you will learn in the welding program and how you can use it. You might ask, what kind of salary can I make welding? That's a great question. Like everything else, the more experience and training you have, the more money you can make. The average welding salary in Maryland as of today is $39,408. I'm sure you're thinking right now, is welding for me? Well, let's find out. We have students from all three high schools in our welding program. So please ask your peers why they are taking this program. Better yet, talk to your guidance counselor and come down for a half-day visit and sample our program. Please feel free to reach out to me through our Worcester Technical High School website and email. I look forward to meeting you.
Hi, my name is Shelley Mason, and I'm one of the counselors here at Worcester Tech. By now, you've been introduced to over 20 programs. We'd like to invite you to learn about the remaining programs at our website. There you'll find detailed information, course descriptions, and further instructor videos that will assist you on fully understanding what the Worcester Tech experience is all about. So what's next? Well, what we'd like to do is help you determine what pathway is for you. Maybe you've already done that, but most students don't have any idea which career direction they want to take. So this is such an important part of your educational process that we've actually provided a tool to help you do that on our website. So there you'll see a tab called Parent and Student Resources, and under that you'll see College and Career Planning. And there you'll find a planning exploration activity, and it's filled with tools and resources that will help you determine what parts of your personality and your interests and strengths match what careers. And then there's also research tools there where you can type in any career and it'll tell you anything you possibly want to know about that. So once you've done those activities there, you hopefully will have some clarity about the direction that you're going in. The next resource that's there is a tool called High School Planning, High School Course Planning Sheet. And what that will help you do is to keep your end goal in mind and use your high school experience and your plan of study to meet that goal. So hopefully you'll find those tools valuable. If you work through those tools and you find that one of our programs here at Worcester Tech are for you, we will be delighted. And then you're probably asking, so what do I do now? Well, registration for a course here at Worcester Tech is easy. If you're an 8th grader presently, there's a link and a QR code at the end of this presentation, and you'll utilize that. However, if you're presently a 9th grade, 10th grade, or an 11th grade student, you'll simply make your request on your course request sheet that your high school counselor will give you. Now, sometimes those requests are made through PowerSchool, and you'll do the same thing. You'll just choose those courses for that program, and then that summer will take care of the rest for you. So I hope this was helpful. Regardless of what pathway you choose to take, we here at Worcester Tech would be delighted to help you. Please feel free to reach out to us, and we wish you the best.